All right, here we are at this airport. Here we have an Amana. There's a compressor right there. All right, here's the Steichen. This one's not running. Okay. See the Steichen. This is Steichen 2, like the one Fake America. Here we have a Lennox Merit. That one's running. Flags back there, the truck can't film that. Here's a Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim. This one's not running. Yeah. Here's a Daikin that shut off. Yes, it did. Yeah, that one just shut off. Okay. Let's see what compressor. Yep. Here's this. Here we got them Carrier Geminis right there. No, these are running. Let's see. Yep. All right. Here's this Train Odyssey. This one's a 4-blade fan. This one's not running. This one, but the blade that keeps the building cool is running. Yep. Here we have a Carrier Gemini with one side. Let's see here. Maybe not. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I might film these. Here are these units. This one's not running. This one's not running. This is right. Data sheet's too faded to read. Nerdy guy. Brian's running. No, there's no data sheet. Let's see. No. Can't read. Right. Right. This is the final unit. This is a York Latitude. This one's not running. This one has been running. No AC's back there. It's just that one. Now on the roof. No, none down below. It's just this one. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.